Morning, everyone. This is Jomar Hilario. You are in our successory planning webinar number 3. It's January 7. Do let me know if there is somebody out there I am talking to right now. Can you hear me? Abe, Aldwin, Anna, Evelyn, Helen, Joren, Lanik, Linek, Malu, Mary, Rodel, Sherin, and Tere. Just to get things started, just want to let you know that I am now being mentored by a very, very unknown billionaire. He's not Filipino at all. He is foreigner. And I'm really learning a lot of stuff from this person. Can't tell you his name. And it doesn't matter because he really charges really high. Okay, I mean, this guy charges like 10,000, 7,000 US dollars per session. Ganong klase. Ganun siya mag-charge. And I'm just telling you, I'm being mentored by this person, not in the area of online marketing, but in the area of, guess what? Ito na, yung ginagawa natin, planning. So for this session and on the one we're gonna have in January 29, and the one we're gonna have in February 18 is very exciting because you're gonna be learning some of the stuff I learned from this guy, to my brand new mentor, on the field of planning your life, creating a life plan, ganyan. So, are you interested in that? And learning new things from my mentor? So as I apply what he said, I'll just tell you all about it. Ganun lang kasimple, di ba? Hindi komplikado. Right? And you don't even have to pay, your $7,000 plus plane fare plus hotel pa, all that stuff. A lot of things. So si Abe lang ang interested. So thank you for being honest. Kami nila ni Abe. Okay. Anyway, so who here is coming over sa February 18 out of town? Anybody coming over to the February 18 out of town event? That's single one, by the way, sa Christmas bundles. I'm so excited to bring you to that new place or old place. I haven't decided where to go yet, but I will decide soon. Kung saan natin gagawin yung February 18 planning. Okay? It's usually hidden somewhere in Cavite or Batangas. Somewhere around Taal Volcano, but never in Tagaytay. Okay? So remember that when we do our planning, it's never in Tagaytay, but it's around the lake area, usually. Okay? So if you're coming, let us know. Kailangan malaman nila, Mike, na pupunta kayo, so meron kayo upuan, meron kayo kakainin, because we're gonna feed you and at the same time bring you there and then back to Manila at the same time. Okay, so it's whole day. We probably will start around 7 or probably 6 in the morning. Para pag trip papunta doon, tulog kayo. Pagdating doon, fresh na kayo. Tapos we have light snacks and then we're gonna go and do your planning agad. It's guided planning. And then lunchtime, tayo? Sarap na lunch, and then we take another planning break again until hanggang 6 o'clock. Okay? So it has to be you lang with a notebook. You can bring a husband or a wife or brother and sister, but they also have to pay their way. Kayo, you won't pay na. Okay? Kasi bonus yan eh. Pero yung brother and sister mo, they have to pay their way. Or yung anak mo, do not bring kids here. You won't be able to plan with kids. Bring a spouse, bring a notebook, and it's going to be a great time to plan. Plus, if you want to bond with your husband or wife, it's a great opportunity. Even your father or mother, it's a great opportunity to bond because this is not an event wherein you will be helping other people out, interacting with them, and networking with them. This is you planning your life. Okay? You planning this year. Okay? So, yung spouse, kunin nyo na lang yung rate sa singles one. It's the same rate. That's the rate now for bringing a spouse over. Okay? But let me check on the amount kasi hindi ko natanda kung magkano. Baka naman pwede kayong bigyan ng discount since you're already in, di ba? So, let me check the singles one rate because, sorry, hindi ko po tanda magkano yung rate. Just make sure that your spouse, is not interested in catching Pokemon, only interested in following what we're going to do, which is not swimming. Okay? We're not going to be swimming. We're not going to be photo taking, and we are going to be, we are really going to literally handwrite planning. So spouse for yung singles one is 6,991 yung price niya. So I'm gonna give you a better rate than that for bringing a spouse. I'll have to announce it. We'll have to decide first how much it is. Okay? Hindi ko pa pwedeng go on decision yan. But we will give you a spouse rate or a partner rate, companion rate para you can bring on people you care about. Now, if you bring a stranger in, you go to the Facebook group, you bring in a stranger, it doesn't really help you because a stranger is not going to compare notes with you during the planning session. A loved one, yan ang gusto mong dalhin. Diba? Kasi magko-compare kayo ng notes and your relationship will really be better because of the common plan. Okay, that is our first lesson for today. Everybody type the word, the common plan. One of the big stresses of relationships today is the husband and the wife, they have no common plan. And it's not even written. Okay? You might say, may plan kami, ganyan. House plan. Plan to bring the kids to Ateneo. Again, written in a notebook somewhere. But it's unlike the kinds of stuff we write in the planning sessions. It has to be something that someone else can actually read and make sense. Okay? So, before we go into the session mismo, I just want to ask you guys, si Abby, Abe, Adwin, Anna, Evelyn, Helen, James, Joren, Lawrence, Lorenzo, Malu, Maribel, Mary, Mitch, Rodel, and Ronnie. Michael, please let me know. Actually, you have to show me what has happened since the last plan. Actually, there are two things I want to know. If you want to speak out, you can go speak out. Tanggalin niyo yung mute nyo. Okay? I want to know kung were you able to make any progress and what was it since the last time we met, which was, what was that? We met on December 7, 1 month ago. What happened during that time? Between that time and this time, meron bang nangyaring progress na masasabi mo, okay, nangyari? So compare what you just told yourself to do in December 7. Actually, totoo lang, what did you do starting December 7 hanggang January 6 with regards to your plans? For those who are honest, please say, wala. Okay? Sabi ni Lay, completed my 100 reasons and 1 tutorial. The rest, wala. Stuck. Nasa whiteboard yung plan. Got your laptop fixed. Mas nang maagang pag-uwi ko to stay for good kasi alam ko kung ano ng plano ko since then. That's great. Got myself another whiteboard, 1 for my weekly activities and 1 for my monthly activities. Very good. Ayan na, you are probably reading the brilliant advice that others are doing for themselves. Take a hint, get an idea from what other people are doing. Pakitype nga, I'm going to get your idea and use it for myself. Ganyan. Because who's more brilliant? One person or a group of persons? What do you think? Nasaan ang brilliance? Nasa isang tao lang ba o sa maraming tao? So, read the chat room. James, ano yung partially done the vision planning part? Explain to us what you write. Sabi ni Rodel, I'm writing and rewriting my future diary. Very good. So yun yung importanteng part, ha? I got 2 things from your chat room. Sabi ni Tere, dalawa na whiteboard niya. I don't know if I mentioned to you, your whiteboards must be massive. Can you just type that in? Massive whiteboard. Kasi pag gumamit kayong whiteboard na kasi laki ng bond paper, wala talagang energy yan. Kailangan yung goals mo, may kadikit na energy na malakas. And this is physics, it's not even metaphysics. The bigger the mass or the bigger the object, the higher the energy. That's like E is equal to mc squared, theory of relativity ni Einstein. So if you got a bigger whiteboard with bigger text, not only will you read it more, it has more energy. There's a better capacity to excite you. Sipin mo, laki ng whiteboard mo, pwede kang bumili ng 6 colors na whiteboard markers. Pag ang whiteboard mo, kasing laki ng bond paper, ilan ang masasaksak mong colors doon? Isa. More colors, more energy. More energy, more action. More action, more excitement. More excitement, more begets more action. Are you getting this? Okay? Sabi ni Evelyn, try to keep up with my to-do list. Ang to-do list po, sinusulat sa calendar. Have I told you that? Alam mo, sa totoo lang, hindi ko na matandaan. But I will repeat. If you have a to-do lists are useless if you don't put them in calendars. The role of to-do list is get them off your brain, but once you have written it in to-do list, you have to sit down once a week and transfer everything to the calendar. And then, bura na naman yung to-do list mo. If you're not able to transfer anything to the calendar, it's not important. So that's the big tool that you need to have for your to-do list to work. It's the calendar transferring every week. Sabi ni Malu, I'm writing on my journal on my day-to-day activity about sa plan ko. Very good. Every time I see my whiteboard, I'm always reminded of my goal. Very good. Hi, Ronnie. Yeah. Out of 9 na to-do list ko, sabi ni Joren, I did 6 of them. Very good. Done with vision writing. Okay, everybody pay attention. You are never done with vision writing. If you haven't spent like 6 months on your vision, you're not done. Okay, so the vision writing is written draft, first version. And then you keep rewriting every week, every day, until sinasasabi mo sa sarili mo, ito na. So it's around 6 months yan. Around 6 months yan. Or probably a year for vision writing. Okay? Depende kung long-term vision writing. Kung short-term, syempre, kaya mong tapusin yan. Let's say you make a vision for next month. O syempre, tapos na agad yan, isang araw lang. Kasi next month. Pero for life vision writing, can you type that in? Life vision writing, matagal yan gawin. A few months to a year. Okay. Sabi ni Cheryl, I will post my whiteboard when I reach home and write my dreams that was written in paper. Yung whiteboard, hindi necessarily lalagyan ng dreams yan. Hindi necessarily lalagyan ng dreams ang whiteboard. Goals, yeah. Kasi may vision board which is, like framed images. So that's the purpose of that. The whiteboard is for you to write down diagrams, reminders, calendar dates, yan, affirmations, yan, napalit ng palit. Yun ang role ng whiteboard. Don't mistake the whiteboard from a vision board or vision book or something else, or a calendar. No? A whiteboard is something for temporary. Like, kang magandang vision. Meron kang magandang affirmation na for the month. Yan, sulat mo sa whiteboard. After 1 month, pagtan mo. Sabi ni Rodel, in vision writing, you need to realize na your visions keep improving and you see better versions every time. So you need to constantly update your plans. Correct. Sabi ni James, finish first draft of my vision writing work would be more appropriate description of where I'm today. Very good. Ayan, nakahabol din ako sa inyo. May tayong first timer. How many first timers have we got? Sabi you're a first timer, so we can like give you some sort of orientation. So we have 22 minutes. Si Ronnie lang ang first timer. Ronnie, have you gone through the recordings? November 10, December 7? So before we go to today's session, where you actually plan again, please let me know you have questions. Yes? Meron kayong difficulties. Pakisabi, difficult blank. Ano yun? Repeat after me. Difficult, Jomar, ang blank. Ano yung blank? Sabihin mo sa akin. When it comes to planning your life, what will be difficult for you as of now? Kaya yan, sige na. It's really funny. Basta, kaya yan. When it comes to planning, you don't know where to start. Oh, okay. Vision writing. Vision writing. To see verse. Please be more specific. Medyo hindi ko naintindihan yung ibang mga statements. Like, where to start, saan? Kasi hindi virtual careers ang usapan dito, planning. So, where to start, what? Tapos, sabi ni Mitch, difficult to manage time, making sure that what you plan for progress. Wala tayo dyan. Believe it or not, we have nothing to do with progress tracking. Pakisulat yan. When you create a plan, you do not create progress reports. Okay? The plan is a plan. Iba yung implementation. Okay. And before masya kayo, napakadaling sagutin yan. What we're doing here is being clear. Everybody type the word clear. Now, if you are clear, hey, where do you want to go? I want to go 200 kilometers from here to the top of that mountain. Very clear. You understand me? Now, how are you going to do that? Sobrang hindi importante. How are you going to go 200 kilometers from here, top of that mountain, is not important. The story of you going there, pag ginawa mo yung vision, yun lang importante. But remember, when you make the stories, everybody say the word ideal. Right? Ideal. Pag ginawa mo yung kwento papunta doon sa bundok, are you going to include na merong mamang lumapit sa grupo nyo tapos niloko kayo? Are you going to include that in your vision story? Or are you going to say na, wow, there is somebody with an airplane, he lent it to us, it was free, and kinakwento mo lang to, kinakwento mo lang to. And then, all of a sudden, you're at the foot of the mountain, and there's somebody who lent you a helicopter, you didn't have to climb, but you said, no, you want to hike, so you went up and hike, and you have the sponsor for boots, so you have brand new boots 2 weeks ago, so now break-in mo na yung boots, and you're having a lot of fun kasi the sponsor even sent to you supplies. Are you gonna, if you tell a story like that, are you really worried if it's going to happen or not? If you're worried na yung sinulat mo sa vision is going to happen or not, hindi ka nag-vision writing. Pag nag-vision writing ka, you're actually going to say what you want. Again, the goal of the planning is to be clear. Yun lang. Clear lang. Now, luma na ang The Secret. Diba? Pakisabi nga, bago ba o luma ang The Secret? So what we're really doing here is the practical version of the law of attraction. Like, literally, what do you do to turn on the law of attraction? Hindi nga importante planner eh. Ba't walang planner? Anyway, you need a blank piece of paper like this one. No need for a planner. Actually, hindi pala ang planner. Anyway, never mind. Sabi ni Mary, I'm taking baby steps. I bought a planner like everyone else. I started writing my major things to do each day. Anyway, however, I'm still rethinking on what my life goals really. Oh, you're thinking. Sorry, Mary, we don't think and rethink our life goals. What do? Everybody say the answer. Instead of thinking and rethinking life goals, what are you supposed to do? Ayun, alam na nila, sabihin nila. Pero ang ganda ng ano, sabi ni Mary, the meal plan that was discussed in the previous webinar helped a lot. I no longer have to tell the cook what to cook every meal. It's easier for me to do groceries. Yes, it frees up my time where I can spend reading books and listening to webinar requests. Amen! Diba? Oh. Sinong nag-implement ng meal plan sa inyo? Diba? Bonus sa mga pupunta sa live event, bibigyan ko kayo ng printed meal plan. Gusto niyo ba nun? Kung gusto niyo, punta kayo sa live event. Okay? Ano nga, bigyan ko yung printed meal plan. Printed. Hindi ko ibibigay sa inyo PDF. Gusto ko printed para talaga mo na sa kitchen. Okay? Sabi ni Lay. So, wishes lang talaga. Pero syempre, we need to go back to the plan and do something to meet the plan. Hindi po tayo to go back to the plan and do something to meet the plan. Kasi Lay, address natin si Lay. Okay lang sa inyo. Address natin si Lay. Hindi, huwag mo natin address si Lay. Address na si Mary. Maganda yung sinabi ni Mary Kinet. Mary, ano tawag ko sa'yo? Mary? Sabi ni Mary, I'm thinking and rethinking what my life goals really. Hindi po tayo nag-iisip kung ano life goal natin. Sinusulat yan. Tapos, sinusulat na naman. Tapos, nire-write na naman. Tapos, nire-write na naman. Okay? Hindi ka nag-iisip. Walang mangyayari pag inisip mo yung vision, yung life plan mo. Lalo na after today. After today, we'll be discussing like 12 different things. And you're gonna say, oh, isipin mo yung 12 different things. Are you crazy? No, you're not crazy. You're supposed to write it down. Yun ang secret po. Everybody type, secret equals writing down. Secret equals writing down. Yun. Tapos, para na-address natin yung kay Mary, okay lang ba sa inyo? Mabilis ako. So, address natin yung kasunod, which is si Lay. Sabi niya, syempre, we need to go back to the plan and do something to meet the plan. Chinin! Wala ka na. Wala ka na sa mundo ng success replanning. Wala ka na. Kasi ganito yan. No? I told you the story kanina. I want to go to that mountain 200 kilometers from here. What happened in my story? Tell me. What happened in my story? Want to go to that mountain 200 kilometers from here. Medyo malayo yun. What happened in my story? Do you remember my story? Did I really make any effort to go up the mountain in my story? What happened? Hindi no ang sagot. What happened in my story? Kasi I wrote it, right? Alam ka, may sulat ko. Napagod talaga ako. Kalyo-kalyo pa ako. Dinugo pa nga. Dinuguin pa ako. Nagutom kami. Nilanggam yung pagkain namin. Papunta dun sa bundok. Naubusan kami ng gas. Anong klase? May nagbigay ng boots. May aeroplano, may helicopter, may sponsor. Ni-refuse ko yung helicopter kasi gusto kong maglakad sa bundok. Pero in the first version, I didn't have to do any effort to achieve the goal. You get me? Because in my story, why should I tire myself out? Yeah? Lay, sagutin mo yung tanong. Should you tire yourself out to accomplish your goal? What do you think? What do you think? Kailangan ba ikwento mo na pinagod mo yung sarili mo, pinaghirapan mo, pinagdusahan mo sa kwento mo? Kailangan ba? Yeah. Kasi kung sinama mo yun sa kwento mo, yun talaga ang mangyayari. Pero ayaw mo pala eh. Di wag mong gawin. Di ba? Gawin mo. Sa kwento mo, may mga special circumstances na nangyari. Remember, version 1 pa lang yan. Makakatotoo siya. Yeah? Lay, sing ka ba? Nandiyan ka ba? And people hear me. So, di ba tama parang value? Remember, you're writing things down. Lang. Alam mo sama? No, mas ma, you're writing your first version. Right? The second version, iba naman, mas fantastic. No, darating si Maui. Kaya si Maui, yung the god, the demigod sa Moana. Ganun. Yun, fantastic yun. Pero wag kang masyadong magulat, baka magkatotoo din. Kasi there are crazy ways, crazy things that happen to you if you are clear. Pakitype na yan. There are crazy things that happen to you when you are clear. Isa pang importante is, life/universe stands clear of someone who's clear. They get out of the way of someone who's clear. Life or the universe gets out of the way of someone who's clear. What about someone who's extremely clear? Huh? So, hindi na sumasagot si Lay, baka nasaktan ko. Hindi ako magsasorry. Eto na. So, si Abby, sabi niya, yay for the meal plan, but it's challenging if I'm only cooking for 2 persons. Are you kidding? Whether may meal plan ka o wala kang meal plan, you're still cooking for 2 people. Can I tell you how to make a meal plan? Sino gusto matuto? How do you make a meal plan? Starting mamaya, pag kumain kayo. Depende ko ng time zone mo. Napakadali po. Di ba may whiteboard kayo? Kakain ka na, di ba? Halimbawa, hindi ikaw nagluluto. Halimbawa lang, hindi ka nagluluto. Binili mo lang yan. Kakain ka na, di ba? Pero may whiteboard ka. Before ka sumubo, before ka magdasal, isulat mo yung putahe, yung ulam, sa whiteboard. Next meal, kakain ka na naman, di ba? Sulat mo yung ulam sa whiteboard. Next meal, may party. Oh. Lagay mo yung kinain mo sa parties, lagay mo dun sa whiteboard, party. Okay, next week, nag-take out kayo. Leftover pizza. Lagay mo dun, leftover pizza. Ayan, ganyan gumawa ng meal plan. Ngayon, that's version 1 meal plan. Version 2, obviously, aayusin mo yan. Kasi gusto mo, umulit yan. Okay? Uulitin mo yon. Now, if you're cooking for 2 people, all you have to do is document what you cook every day for 1 week. And then do that again for the next 12 weeks. Dapat, by then, instinct na lang sa'yo sulat. It also helps, everybody say, helpful if the whiteboard is near the dining table. Tapos lagay mo doon, meal plan. Diba ang dali? Now, some ideas on meal plan, pag ginawa mo, huwag mong ilagay sinigang. That's crazy. Sabihin mo kung ano yung actual na klaseng sinigang. Plus, kung merong special na kasama yung sinigang na nagpapasarap, isama mo doon. Hindi yung breakfast, sinigang. Hindi ganun. Okay. Salmon, sinigang, with, anong sinama nyo? On the side. Anong sinama nyo on the side? Nagkataon, leftover pala yun. Sinama nyo on the side, bagay pala. Salmon, sinigang, with something on the side. Meron kayong buko pandan na leftover. Nung kinain mo yung buko pandan, nakatulong sa lansa ng salmon, masarap. So, yung meal plan mo ngayon is salmon sinigang with buko pandan. Gets? Or 2 kinds of dishes na nasama mo together na bagay. Katulad ng isang beses, ang tindi ng mga kinain namin. Lahat malapot. Okra. Basta, parang pinakbet na hiwa-hiwala yung ingredients. So, ganun yun. You describe what it is. Like, munggo with tinapa. Sarap ba yun? Pati side dish, munggo with tinapa is different from munggo with pork. Yeah? Or kung ang munggo nyo medyo special, munggo with overflowing broth. Sabaw. Alam mo, munggo with overflowing sabaw. Ganun. Munggo with pork with overflowing sabaw. You describe it, hindi pang recipe, pero pag niluto ni Inday yan, okay, kailangan pala maraming sabaw, kailangan pala pork, kailangan pala salmon, ganyan. O tingnan pa pala. You get me? Para they know exactly what the taste is. And this is something important. Last word on the meal plan. Para sa meal plan, Ronnie? The meal plan decreases the stress of the person marketing, namamalengke, and preparing the meals. It also decreases the stress of the decision maker of the meals. Now, usually, isang tao lang lahat yon. Yung asawa mong babae, siya yung nagpa-market, siya yung nagpa-prepare, siya na rin nagde-decide ng ulam. Pag tinanggal mo lahat yung stress na yon, mas masaya siyang tao by replacing it with a meal plan. Now, the meal plan works if you have 12 meal plans. Okay? 12 weeks yon. 12 weeks. Pag 12 weeks ang meal plan mo, mag-uulit kayo ng meal plan every 3 months. Hindi mo na mapapansin yun. Mag-uulit kayo ng ulam every 3 months. Gets? So the meal plan works every 3 months. And if you have more meal plans, then very good. Pwede nyo ma-implement. Plus, it's a personal meal plan na ginawa mo sa bahay. So you have the ingredients. You know the people can cook it kasi binasa mo siya sa sarili mong ulam. And the most important, can I give you a last tip sa meal plan? Lalo na sa mga lalaki, gawin yung meal plan para sa asawa nyo, matutuwa sa inyo. You know what I mean? Matutuwa sa inyo yung asawa nyo. Because ang meal plan, nakikita lang sa bahay ng mga yaman talaga. Kukunin ni Inday yung meal plan, hindi tatanungin kay amo kung ano, kasi sinabi na ni amo kung anong dapat gawin. Tutuwa sila because the stress of daily deciding what to eat has been removed from them. Final tip, sharing. Si Cheryl lang yes eh. Pag ikaw ay nakatikim ng masarap na pagkain sa restaurant, gulaan mo dapat mong gawin. I-meal plan yan. Tingnan mo na yung ingredients. Gayahin natin ito sa bahay. Kung masarap na combination na dalawang ulam, kopyahin mo na, i-meal plan mo na yan. Kesa picturean sa Instagram, wala namang sense. Di nyo naman binabalikan yung Instagram nyo. Pero yung meal plan, babalikan nyo. Yeah? Hindi, huwag mong iuwi yung ng restaurant kasi hindi mo naman alam kung ano na masarap doon. Yung nakain mo lang. If you ate something really delicious, put it in your meal plan so you can study it, look at the recipe, ganyan. Yung kilala ko nga yung meal plan nila may katamang page. Marami silang cookbook sa bahay, nakalagay doon, Paella Valenciana, page 16, ito yung cookbook. Darin yung itsura ng meal plan niya. That's nyo? Nandun yung pangalan, nandun yung cookbook, tapos the cookbooks are in the kitchen, tapos pupuntahan na lang nila yung page. So if any new maid comes in, they just go to look at the recipe. Gets? Bagong cook. So ang dali tuloy. So the only time na hindi ka mag-meal plan is you make the effort to deviate and to decide, which is at this point, hindi na stressful sa'yo kasi hindi mo ginagawa araw-araw. Right now, sige, mag-ano lang tayo. Mag-macaroni soup na lang tayo lahat. Kasi trip mo lang. Now, at that point, hindi ka na inis na everyday dinidecide mo yun. Or yung asawa mo, hindi na inis. Everyday dinidecide niya na. Hindi. Kasi you rarely now use your brain to decide on meals. Which helps you relax more. Sabi nga ni Mary Kine. She can now read books and go to our webinars kasi nga, mas marami ng time. And then we just successfully got back your time for the simple tool of a meal plan. Diba? Ay pang mga ganyan. So stick around. Okay?